Hello Skin Games, Amanda Schneider with Loving My Skin Spa. I'm here with my wonderful model Anne. Today we're getting ready to do treatment 1 for the open category. For our goals within the open, we are targeting hair restoration. Anne has suffered with some post-menopausal hair loss to the point that she was no longer really feeling comfortable. So we're working on reversing all of that. We're going to be doing that through a series of jet plasma, LED, as well as some PDRN microneedling that will also help kind of reawaken those dormant hair follicles. And if you don't mind.
No. Right.
So we're specifically targeting up through this area, up through the front and the outer medial, as well as coming back behind the ear. Those are the areas where things are a little bit more thin. We are also incorporating internal supplementation as well as a hair growth serum for her home care. As far as the internals, we have had extensive conversation. We're all on board with those. So we're really focusing on antioxidant protection. And she's also incorporating Maca root. And Maca is just it's a Peruvian root vegetable. But Maca has been shown to help regenerate follicular hair stimulating enzymes. So the combination between the internal and the external stimuli should really help kind of turn that around for her. Is there anything specific that you have any goals for the hair restoration?
I think we've targeted it.
You're like,
that's the main.
Ding, ding, we're there.
We're there, yeah.
So we're excited to show you exactly how we get there and exactly how much new hair we have.